Access to quality healthcare is a big challenge, not just in India, but at several other locations all around the globe. While shortages of doctors, nurses, scarcity of infrastructure and facilities, all these compound to the major crisis. The advent of digital health comes up with all the promises of offering a pragmatic solution. We are all aware of what the digital health, e-health, telemedicine all together have promised to offer to all of us. But what we often forget about is the fact that no matter whether there is remote access, no matter whether there is an app to come in and interfere with helping the patient, there has to be a physical device which can do, for example, a quick test of your blood sample, or as a matter of fact, the urine, saliva, or any other sample test, and come up with the result on the click of an app, all very rapidly at extreme low cost, without lab resources, and interfaced by frontline health workers. This is which has been championed by our research team at IIT Kharagpur. At IIT Kharagpur, we have been developing healthcare technologies which are not just technologies for showpiece in the lab. These are technologies which can come out of the lab, work in the green field, and come up with solutions which can give the diagnostic test results at extreme point of care, at locations where there is extreme dirt, dust, and humidity. Over and above, what we have tried to do is to combine these results with what we get out of the interface between the patient and a healthcare worker, the so-called patient metadata. That is where it is not just the diagnostic test alone, but the diagnosis of the disease and the clinical decision making and the way forward comes from a combined algorithmic interpretation of the patient metadata and the diagnostic test results. We do not call it AI, we call it IA, intelligence augmented, with a prospect of helping all the stakeholders, be it insurance provider, be it doctors, be it patients, or other stakeholders, to come up with an aid for a clinical decision making, where the aid will come to the doctor and the doctor will still remain the last word for giving the clinical advice. It is a paradigm shift of the present state of the art on digital health, and it is something that can offer all the solutions to everybody, for those who have and for those who have not. Thank you very much.